Hi, we are from at home tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on finding probability. First question is find the probability of getting an ace from a well-shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. Okay, solution. So it's given that shuffled deck of 52 playing cards. So the total outcome is 52. So we want to find the probability of getting an ace card. So the number of ace cards in a deck of cards is 4. Okay, so we know that formula for probability is chance of getting outcome divided by total chance, or total number of possible outcomes divided by number of outcomes. So the probability of getting an ace card is outcome of getting an ace card divided by total number of cards. So the probability of getting an ace is, you know that there are outcome of getting an ace card. So there are 4 ace cards. So 4 divided by, there are total number of 52 cards. So it's 4 divided by 52. So if you simplify, you will get 1 divided by 3. So thus the probability of getting an ace card from a well shuffled deck of 52 playing cards is 1 divided by 13. Next question is find the probability of getting a red apple. So solution, let's see. If you look into the given picture, there are 1, 2, 3 green apples and 1, 2, 3, 4 red apples. So totally 4 plus 3, 7 apples. So the total outcome is 7. So we'll find the probability now. So we know the formula for probability is chance of getting outcome divided by total chance, or total number of possible outcomes divided by number of outcomes. So now our question is find the probability of getting a red apple. So we can rewrite the formula as the outcome of getting a red apple, that is total number of possible outcome of getting a red apple divided by total number of apples. So the probability of getting a red apple is, so total number of red apples is 4 divided by total number of apples is 7. So thus the probability of getting a red apple is 4 divided by 7. Next question is numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips, one number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. So what is the probability of getting a number 6, getting a number less than 6, getting a number greater than 6 and getting a one-digit number? So we'll see the solution. So it's given numbers 1 to 10 are written in a 10 separate slips, one number on one slip. So you know that totally there are 10 slips and the total outcome is 10. So now first question is what is the probability of getting a number 6? So we know the probability formula, probability equal to total number of possible outcomes divided by number of outcomes. So probability of getting a number 6. So we can rewrite the formula for this question as outcome of getting a number 6 divided by total number of slips. So now there will be one number in each slip. So the numbers are from 1 to 10. So total number of slips is 10. So now the probability of getting a number 6 is, okay, so there will be a one number 6 in only one slip. So there is a probability for getting number 6 is 1. So 1 divided by 10. So thus the probability of getting a number 6 is 1 divided by 10. Next part in the same question is what is the probability of getting a number less than 6? So probability definition is total number of possible outcomes divided by number of outcomes. So we can rewriting the formula for probability of getting a number less than 6. So outcome of getting a number less than 6 divided by total number of slips. So you know the total number of slips is 10. So now we'll see how to get the outcome of a number less than 6. So you know that the numbers in the slips are from 1 to 10. So the numbers in the slip which are less than 10 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So totally we have 5 numbers. So the total number of possible outcomes for number less than 6 is 5. So the formula for this is probability equal to, for number 6 less than 6 you'll get 5. Then total number of slips is 10. So the probability is 5 divided by 10. If you simplify, you will get 1 divided by 2. So thus the probability of getting a number less than 6 is 1 divided by 2. Next question is, what is the probability of getting a number greater than 6? So now you know that you want to find all the numbers in the slips which are greater than 6, and then you have to apply in the probability formula. So totally we have 10 slips, and the numbers in the slip that are greater than 6 are 7, 8, 9 and 10. So totally we have 4 numbers. So total number of possible outcomes for a number greater than 6 is 4. So now we are going to apply in the probability formula. We know that for probability of getting a number greater than 6 is equal to total number of possible outcomes for number greater than 6 divided by total number of slips. So it is 4 divided by 10. If you simplify, you will get 2 divided by 5. So thus the probability of getting a number greater than 6 out of the 10 slips is 2 divided by 5. Next question is, what is the probability of getting a 1-digit number? So now you want to calculate all the 1-digit numbers in that slip. So totally we are having 10 slips, written the numbers from 1 to 10. So 1-digit numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So totally we have 9 numbers. So total number of possible outcomes for 1-digit number is 9. And the total number of slips is 10. Now we'll substitute this in the probability formula. So the probability of getting a 1-digit number is equal to the total number of possible outcomes for 1-digit number divided by total number of slips. So that is 9 divided by 10. So thus the probability of getting a 1-digit number out of this 10 numbers is 9 divided by 10. Next question is, if you have a spinning wheel with 3 green sectors, 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, what's the probability of getting a green sector? What is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? So it's given a spinning wheel has green sectors 3, blue sector 1 and then red sector 1. So total number of sectors is 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5 sectors. Okay, so first question is, what is the probability of getting a green sector? So you know the formula, total number of possible outcomes divided by number of outcomes. For this green sector, we can rewrite the formula as for outcome of getting a green sector divided by total number of sectors. So there are 3 green sectors. So the number of possible outcomes for green sector is 3. So the probability formula, if you apply, we'll get, so probability of getting green sector is 3 and then total sector is 5. So 3 divided by 5. Thus the probability of getting a green sector is 3 divided by 5. Next, what is the probability of getting a non-blue sector? So now we want to calculate how many non-blue sectors are there. So if you look into that, the non-blue sectors are 4 sectors. Okay, 3 red sectors and 1 green sector. So it's 4 non-blue sectors and total sectors is 5. So if you substitute in the formula, you will get 4 divided by 5. So thus the probability of getting a non-blue sector is 4 divided by 5. Hope you have understood all the questions well. Thank you for watching the video.